Poor communication, resistance, and lack of stakeholder engagement are the things that damage your change management and the ability to effectively transform your business. You may have learned these 3 points from our previous video on change management failures. If you haven't watched it yet, we suggest you watch it first and then come back for part 2, which we are delighted to present with change management expert Liudmyla. Well, let's find out what other obstacles are holding back your change initiatives.
One more reason why our change management plan can fail is inadequate planning. That's why it's really important to prepare communication plan in a normal way. So we need to keep in mind a few things. First of all is to create a change management team who could be deeply involved, could inspire everyone. They need to understand which stakeholders they need to involve, how regularly using what communication channels they should use to provide some updates in a way that it's okay for our stakeholders. We should also set up goals, KPIs, to understand everything goes okay or not. The last options it's evaluate and adapt. We should every time to understand that everything goes smoothly. We can review and redesign everything if we understand that something according to our goals change, or there are some different circumstances. It could be any legal part, internal policy, some compliance. We should be agile to such things and provide any potential things that can lead to the success.
We would like to thank Liudmyla for her invaluable experience in change management. Here we end this topic. But if you think that knowing these mistakes is all you need to successfully transform your processes, then this was just the beginning. Next, we will explore the different types of change management methodologies and how to create the perfect plan for change. So, to ensure you never miss our new videos, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like this video. This will motivate the Integrity Vision team to create even more interesting and useful content for you.